Okay, author's viewpoint, you have to focus, and the final takeaway. Okay, that's why I told you the first 2 lines and the last 2 lines are the key for that. For example, 2025 a passage came. The first line is what? In our country, teaching and learning for exam has been our forte, but the new demands of society and the future of work require critical independent thinking. Okay, meaning your current system and the future system, they are telling current is not that much good, future needs more of critical thinking. Okay, and the last what they are telling, teaching has to be reinvented. So both beats the same only, right? Teaching has to be changed. Now if you look the question, central idea, the option directly is telling classroom needs to be reimagined and teaching needs to be reinvented. So with the first and last line, in between whatever they tell, okay, between whatever they tell, the meaning directly comes. And this works 90% of the time also, whenever they ask for crux. Okay, whenever it is short passage. So this, if you have no time, you can apply this method of skimming the first line and last line and going to the options. Okay, else I will recommend read the full passage. Okay, so again, more examples I'll show you. Look for repeated words. This is the 2024 passage. So science has a social responsibility. And when again you're quickly skimming, you will again see like social enterprise. Quickly again skimming, you're seeing social sense. Okay, multiple times you're seeing. And options when you see, you're again seeing social welfare. Okay, science must pursue the truth, but the responsibility should be towards social welfare also. Okay, that is the main gist of this passage. So this is still short passage. In case little more like 2-3 more lines is also there. If there is a repeated word, okay, repeated word, high chances there. That is what the author is intending. Okay, one more examples from same 2024. Classrooms, if you see fixed duration, same set of lecture in the same duration, fixed duration, repeating the same ineffectual script. So it's telling what? In a classroom, the same fixed timetable based learning is going on, same syllabus is going on, same like without any change, everybody are being taught the same thing. This is what they're telling, overall same in the same duration. And the inferences they have given 2 things. Okay, the central goal is duration, which is obviously true. Conventional classroom encourage one size fit approach. That is what we told. Same. Okay, everything is same. So 2. So both 1 and 2. Okay, so this way, quickly, if you skim through the passage also without reading in 10 seconds, 15 seconds and all, you can do this so that you get more time for solving your numerical questions. Okay. Yesterday I have given video of the 2025 the number based question. You would have seen like the SU PQR, there is a number PQR, then it is multiplied by PPT, then it will get another number called PS. Okay, then you have to like P into 1000 plus Q into 10 plus 100 place, 1000 place, 10 place, like this. You have to make this full expansion, then do it, then solve it, finally find what is PQRS. And after you find also, the options will be something like not the usual English one. Okay, it will be like P can be like or equal to, or it will be very, very complicated. So your one question needs 3 to 4 minutes or more than that to solve a one numerical question. So how will you get that time? You will get it by saving time by solving passages faster. Okay, this crux, if you find out and solve it faster, you not only get marks like 2.5 each per question, you get more time to do the numericals also. Okay, so again I am telling, ignore the minor details and look the overall argument of the passage, which you will get in repeated words or the first line or last line. Okay, here if you see the very first line, in a robust democracy, they are talking about what? Reality. Okay, reality is the keyword here. Reality, howsoever inconvenient, it is there in the speech of political leaders, it is there in other social forms, and again telling existence of real has to be transparent. So it's fully describing real and reality. Okay, last line is what? Reality without distortion is what the media should circulate. Okay, this is what they are telling. And the first option, responsible media should not distort the real in the ideal democracy. So option A. Okay, so very, very fast you should do, and this is why I gave you 25 passages practice paper. The faster you do that, you can be more confident on the exam day that at least the passage part I will be high scoring. Okay, inference questions. Inference question again, it will not be directly stated, it's same like assumption. You have to infer from it what it is trying to tell. Like for example, here good corporate governance related one passage came. Okay, so they are telling when you have good corporate governance, and why people are focusing on good corporate governance is because the capital market is growing now. Okay, rapid growth of capital market, and this is the finance. So effective, this one will give access to more finance, more investment, more growth and more employment. Now if you go down, the logical inference is what? Good corporate government improves the credibility. Okay, the word credibility is nowhere mentioned in the passage, but when you have good corporate governance, it is implied that investors is looking for that only. Investors is looking where to place their fund. That means you should be a credible organization. Okay, so if you understand the gist of the passage, that how will you get the funding if you have good credibility. That is the meaning of this passage. So this is why inference need not be directly mentioned in the passage, but it will be indirectly told, and it will be the gist of it. Okay, all this in detail I have done in the video where I have done PYQ videos and given to you. I have done detail. Okay, here I am just teaching you. That's why I'm quickly going to the answer without looking the wrong options. Okay. So elimination trick is always delete anything which is not at all discussed in the passage. Okay, not the words, but the meaning. Okay, the story or idea. If some other ideas are there, you can skip it. Assumptions also is like inference, but two statements will be given.